Yo, greetings family, what's going on? Thank you for coming to the channel. I'm going to be talking about 10 of my favorite apps that you can use to make money online and make money for free. The reason it's important to me because everything we have going on, we know people need to make money. You may have some teenagers, this may be some beneficial information for them that they can pick it up, share, create a YouTube channel, whatever. But I wanted to share this insight too because, man, my big homie, Smart Passive Income with JB, man, was telling everybody Ethereum was going to pop. It was about $200 a coin, okay? Now you wake up today, it's $1,300, $1,400. And if you utilize some of this stuff and just put it in the savings in Ethereum or something like that, or in Bitcoin, all right, you'd have been straight right now. So with that being said, let's utilize this stuff to put ourselves in a better position, create a hobby or something you're going to make some money from, man. Let's start you a business. Let's get it. All right. Number one, this ain't no particular order, but I'm going to just go off 10. There's a lot of them, but I'm going to just go off 10. All right. So number one, I got Dash. All right. So Dash is a cashback rewards app. I've talked about them before. It's a really simple concept, okay? So you have a debit card that you know, this is the card that you shop with all the time. You go on to Wendy's, you go on to Dunkin' Donuts, you go on to Walmart. This is the card that you use, okay? Is all you have to do is link this card to this app. You can download it on your phone. It's a cashback rewards app, but I'm gonna show you 2 ways you can make money from this, all right? 2 ways, all right? So you linked your card. Great. Now you go to a affiliated store, like I said, such as Dunkin' Donuts, such as Wendy's, something such as Nike, such as Sam's Club. You can order stuff online and offline. You just have to check the app for what's in your area. It's also a great app for saving money on hotels. If you check that as well, you get great cashback offers on hotels as well as other places. So that's one way. All right. All right. So you get $40, $50 off a hotel. Now another way is to actually share the app with somebody and have them link their card and then go, you know, whenever they go spend their money at one of those places anyway, all right, because it's just going to track you the same way Amazon and Facebook and everything else does. So boom. Now they have normally $5 a referral. Right now it's $10 a referral. Sometimes it's $15 a referral. Sometimes it's $20 a referral. Okay. So with that being said, you go get your coffee, you link the card, boom, there you go. You just got a referral. To cash out, you need a PayPal or a bank account, and it'll send the money right to your PayPal or bank account as soon as you get $25 or more per referral. All right. The next thing I got is Rakuten, another cashback rewards app. Now with this one, you can actually download the Dash is you know, with your phone, okay? Rakuten you can have on your phone, or you can have on your desktop computer. You can download it, I believe, on the Chrome browser. All right. And what this one is, with this cashback, yes, you make cashback rewards. But if you share with somebody and they spend $20, each of you all get $20. So essentially, you know, you'll be getting something for free. But the thing is, after that, you know, you keep sharing it with people and they keep sharing it with people. When they spend $20, boom. Now keep in mind, these apps are cashback rewards apps. So it's like a coupon. You feel what I'm saying? So if you're going to spend some money on something, why not save some money on it anyway? You got me? All right. So the next thing we're going to be talking about is actually one of my favorite apps. Okay. To, you know, when you're talking about stocks and getting into stocks, all right, especially on a, you know, starter level, kind of intermediate, Webull, okay? Webull is always running specials with free stocks, all right? It's normally you get 1, you get 2, you get 3. I think they're doing one right now where you get 4 free stocks. But this is how you get started on Webull, okay? Webull requires an initial $100 invested into the trading account, okay? And then after you sign up and you your money clears, you'll get a free stock. And then when you share with somebody else, it's going to be the same thing, all right? Like I said, it will vary between what promotion they're running, but you should get at least 1 for sure, maybe 2, 3, or 4, depending on whatever promotion they're running. So the thing is, when you put that $100 in there, you don't have to go do anything with that $100. You know, you may have to wait a little while to withdraw it. I think you got to wait like 15 trading days for your stock to actually clear. But be clear, you can withdraw or sell that stock, that share, okay, and then withdraw and send that money back to your bank account. Okay, so you don't necessarily have to use it, but it's a good way to get free stocks and have your money in there. And what you can do, you can take that money out and do whatever you want with it. Okay, I'm not a financial attorney, advisor, or anything. All right, so my next 2 apps are going to be very similar that I'm going to be talking about. Well, 3 apps, okay? Gonna be very similar that I'm talking about, okay? But I like Webull the best. The next one I like, okay, is gonna be Doe, all right? So Doe is gonna be, you know, if you all are familiar with some other ones I'm talking about, Robinhood and stuff, Doe is similar to that, but I like the platform better than Robinhood, to be honest with you. And when you share this app with somebody, you get a stock for anywhere up to like, I think $500, all right? So imagine that, you know, I've gotten stocks, I think from Webull or something, you know, or maybe Doe, you know, $70, $80, $100. So it happens. So sometimes it might be 8 or 10, but you do have that capability of getting a $200 stock or something like that. So Doe, great app. Is really simple. You download it, you get the free stock, you share it, get, you know what I mean? Boom. You can cash it out and you get more stocks. Okay. All right. The next one is going to be Robinhood. Is very similar. Most of you have heard of it before. Okay. You share it. You get a free stock. You can keep it, you know, do whatever you want to do with it. All right. Another app is called Stash. Okay. So with Stash, you can actually get $20 per referral. But what Stash is, yeah, you can invest in stocks. All right. And build your, diversify your portfolio. And it allows you to actually pull money out of your account. So you can just invest unconsciously, not without even like you having to manually do it yourself. It'll invest in the stocks in the areas you want to invest for you. Okay. All right. So now that we did those, my next one I'm going to talk about is Chime. Maybe you've heard of Chime before. Okay. So what Chime is actually a virtual bank account. Now, a lot of people have trouble with bank accounts, credit scores. Well, Chime is a good place you can go to get you a you know, a digital bank account. We're all digital now anyway, so they really ahead of the game, to be honest with you. All right. So with that being said, to get their referral, okay, you share with somebody, and within that 90-day period, they need to have a direct deposit of $200. So that means if you have a job already, all right, you have a qualifying direct deposit, you just shift that direct deposit to your digital bank account. If you're on DoorDash, Uber, you do something that has, you know, that you're getting compensated from, you know, a business or payroll, and you get it deposited, boom, you get $75. So there you go right there, just off of referring them to get a bank account, okay? So that's something positive. All right, so we don't make this video as long. Now, some of my favorite ones, just because of what we talking about. Okay, so now Crypto.com. All right, it's one of my favorite ones because when you refer people, you get $25. But you know what? But with Crypto.com, it's a little different. We have to talk about staking. Now I went over that in a video. So pretty much it's like having a money market account or a CD account, but you're doing it in cryptocurrency. You're staking CRO, which is a token affiliated with Crypto.com. Now I just checked, man. I think they just went up on the staking. It's like 5,000 CRO. Hopefully I have that right. But when I was checking it, 5,000 CRO is about $350 at this time, but CRO is about 6 or 7 cents. All right. So with that being said, you know, if you don't have $350 to stake to qualify for those referrals, then, you know, you don't have it. But keep in mind that you do receive, I think, Spotify free. And you can always just download Crypto.com just to get acclimated to it and get the free debit card, because that one is actually you get a debit card when you download the app and you stake, you get like a qualifying debit card. So that's one of my favorites from getting referrals. And because it's in cryptocurrency, and after I get that $25 in CRO, I can move it to Bitcoin, move it to Ethereum, and move it to wherever I want to move it to. Okay. The staking locks in for about I think 60 days, 90 days, whatever it is, and then you can unstake it and move the money wherever you want to move it. All right, but it gains interest over the time that it's in there. Okay, all right. So the next one, of course, going to be Coinbase. All right, so you get $10 worth of Bitcoin when when somebody buys or sells $100 worth of cryptocurrencies that you refer. All right, so Coinbase is great for starters. Maybe not my favorite overall, but for getting started, I'm definitely using Coinbase. It's very friendly. It's very easy to use. The top 2 places people use to get started, to get acclimated to Bitcoin, Cash App and Coinbase. Okay. But you know, when you start graduating, you're going to want to start moving up to different places any things like that. All right. So now the next one I have is Lolly. You realize these last few I'm talking about, they just directly giving you cryptocurrency. So that's the mind frame I'm in. All right. So Lolly, all right, is going to be an extension on your browser. You can download it on the Chrome browser, and you're going to actually get $10 a referral for referring somebody to actually use that link. So that means, once again, when you are shopping, instead of getting cash back, you're getting cryptocurrency back. A matter of fact, Crypto.com, their Crypto.com cards are actually, you get crypto CRO back for shopping with them. So keep in mind, y'all, now this is the day and age that we're in. Y'all seen the football player, all right, who said he wants some of his contract in BTC. So digital money, cryptocurrencies, main reason I'm talking about it, so y'all can get acclimated to it. And look, this could be something you do on the side. You can create a whole channel talking about making money online and putting people on. I've seen plenty of people do it. But with that being said, there is going to be a link in the description to everything that I was talking about. So if you want to, all right, you can choose one of these and start making you some money online. Just to do a quick recap, I got Dash, I got Rakuten, I got Webull, I got Doe, I got Stash, I got Robinhood, I got Time, I got Crypto.com, I got Coinbase, and I got Lolly. And there's plenty others. If you're interested and want me to make some more videos or get more in depth about something when it comes to, any of these, let me know. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?